Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our. This isn't about tearing anyone down. It's about honoring those who never pretended. In a world where YouTube is full of filters, flexing, and fake perfection, Jamaica quietly gave us something different. No rented lifestyles, no forced drama, just real people, real families, real Jamaica. Today, we're talking about some of the most down-to-earth Jamaican YouTubers, creators who didn't just build channels, they built communities. And at the center of it all stands a name many Jamaicans already respect, Colaz Smith. Colaz Smith isn't loud, he's not flashy, he doesn't sell dreams, he shows process. What makes Colaz different isn't just the content, it's the energy. Family first, community driven, no hype, no hype up. From farming, cooking, daily life, mentoring young creators, and opening doors for others, Colaz built something rare on YouTube, and that's trust. He didn't chase being viral. Virality followed him. And maybe that's why so many people feel like they know Colaz, not as a YouTuber, but as a brethren. Next up, we have Anty Donna, Jamaica's internet auntie. The woman who feels like everybody's auntie and we all can relate. No script, no pretending, just wisdom, laughter, and straight Jamaican talk. She represents a generation that didn't grow up online, but still found a way to connect with millions. Anty Donna doesn't perform for YouTube. She lives and the camera just happens to be there. And that authenticity, you can't fake it. Next up, we have a brilliant young man who walks his neighborhood with his camera, showcasing Jamaica in a raw, unfiltered way. And he's Kino Life in Jamaica. Him show the island without dressing it up. The good, the hard, the everyday life. No sugarcoating, no shame, just truth. Kino reminds us that Jamaica isn't just beaches and vibes. It's people grinding, laughing, surviving, and living real life. And that honesty exactly why people keep watching. Meet the Mitchells. Family as the brand. With Meet the Mitchells, it's all about family, marriage, parenting, growth, faith. They show that love isn't perfect, but it's intentional. No manufactured arguments, no viral stunts. Just two people choosing each other, choosing their kids, and choosing consistency. In a time where chaos sells, the Mitchells prove that peace can still pull views. And next we have the Powells. Quiet consistency. The Powells don't rush trends. They move at their own pace. Their content feels calm, grounded, safe. They remind viewers that success doesn't always need noise. Sometimes it just needs discipline, respect, and patience. Honorable mention, the extended family. You also can't talk about down-to-earth Jamaican YouTubers without mentioning Ratty Adventures, Kanta, Climber, T-Bag, Pappy Swear Fishing, Auntie Pauline, Marlon, and so many others. These creators didn't try to be celebrities, they stayed human. These YouTubers prove something powerful. You don't need to pretend to win. You don't need to scandalize your life. You don't need to lose yourself for views. Just be real, be kind, be consistent, and Jamaica will support you. So, here's to Jamaica's most down-to-earth YouTubers. Not because they're perfect, but because they're authentic. And in today's world, that might be the rarest thing of all.